There once was a union maid, she never was afraid of goons and ginks and company finks and the deputy sheriffs who made the raid.
I'm socialist. I'm a political revolutionary. I don't expect any reform to last longer than the willingness of people to fight to retain it, and longer than a progressive period in history will last. Periods change. And once you go into a regressive period, as you always do after a progressive period, under capitalism, all your reforms are swept under the rug. They're decimated. It's very difficult to retain them. You have to run like hell to stay in the same place, like in Alice in Wonderland. And half the time you run like hell and you still go backward, only you don't go backward quite so fast.
I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union.